Hey everyone, my name is Marciano and I'm a design lead at Sounder. Today I'm walking you through Videobites. Videobites is an awesome podcast discovery tool we've made where you can chop up your podcast episode into smaller chunks. We've seen creators on our platform use Videobites to share and tease highlights from a recent episode to their social media, which then led to increased listenership and new audiences for their podcast. In our latest update to Videobites, we've made them so that you can share them easily via just a link and made it so that we'll let you know how many times each Videobite has been viewed, neatly inside the analytics on the Sounder platform. We're really excited to have this in more creators' hands so that we can learn how to make Videobites even better. Well, that's enough about the product. Let's jump in and figure out how to create one, how to view a Videobite, and how to get insights from them. Also, I may be saying Videobites a ton this video, I'm sorry for that. Let's go. Videobites can be found within your Share dashboard. You can get there by clicking Share in the menu to your left. Scroll down the page and there you'll find Videobites. If you have created one before, then you'll see them in the list and you'll be able to jump straight back into its analytics. You can also download the Videobite and, of course, you can view it from there too. I am under the assumption that this is going to be your first Videobite, so you don't see any of these options yet. In that case, let's hit Create a new Videobite. Creating a Videobite is incredibly easy. First, we'll select the episode we want to base the Videobite on. In this case, I want to create one based on the story of Ebax from inception to our 105 million exit. Next up, you'll see the Sounder player embedded on this page, which you can use to decide what specific part of this episode you want to make a Videobite of. I just happen to know that the part that I'm interested in starts at 7 minutes and 11 seconds and it ends at 7 minutes and 44 seconds. In this part, the host and the guest talk about the vision for the original Ebax website design, which is particularly interesting to me, a designer, of course. Let's give it a matching title, Building the Original Web Design. As you may already be aware, every episode hosted on the Sounder platform is empowered by our transcription technology, completely for free. It's pretty awesome, with an industry-crushing word error rate, but it may still sometimes have difficulties deciphering accents. As we like to think, we're mostly right with transcribing your Videobites, but for the parts who make it wrong, we will give you full control to go into the transcript and make edits where necessary. Found a sentence in a Videobite that you don't want transcribed? Just remove that part of the sentence or uncheck that specific sentence to have it disappear. This will, of course, keep the audio intact. Rather don't have any transcript in your Videobite at all? No worries. Hit the toggle to turn them off for the video. We also let you customize the Videobite and give it a unique design. In the preview window you can see how it will end up looking like, and you can specify the size of the video. You might pick square if this Videobite ends up on Instagram, or you might prefer portrait if it's a video made for TikTok. If you want to make multiple sizes, then you can always just come back into the Share dashboard and create one for that specific size, no problem. We're able to tweak the artwork in the background. By default, we use your podcast artwork, but you can upload any image that you have on your computer instead. You may have noticed the artwork is oversized and blurred, which we can both scale back easily using these toggles. Finally, we'll want to change the colors used so that we're sure it feels just right. To make it even easier, we have included a color picker that lets you pick any color on your screen. I would use the color picker on a striking color from your Videobite artwork so that it feels really nice. Once you're happy, just hit Create Videobite. Well, you're all done. You can just close off the screen you see here and carry on with what you were doing before. In the background we're doing our magic creating the video for you and we'll send you an email when it's ready to be shared. Of course, it will then also be available in your Share dashboard. Now that our Videobite is created, let's dive into what we can do with these. Go to your Share dashboard and select the Videobite you've just created. It should open up a beautiful web page. What's great about this Videobite webpage is that not only your listener can view and listen to the video, they can also find out directly what episode this Videobite is from and go to its episode webpage. Furthermore, the page also shows all the podcast platforms you've connected to the Sounder platform. If you don't have this set up yet for your podcast, just go to the Manage page on the Sounder platform and add the desired podcast apps. Sharing this Videobite with anyone in the world is now as easy as can be, as you just need to copy and paste the URL to where your audience is, or use the social media buttons you see integrated on this page. Finally, you and your audience can easily reshare the Videobite to any of the social media platforms we have integrated. Click the button. In my case, I sincerely love Twitter. I'll share this Videobite there. If you wish to share the Videobite to Instagram or TikTok, you'll first need to click download video and upload it that way. Sorry, once these platforms allow us an easier way, we'll make sure to add those too. Once you're done sharing to all your social media platforms, you can sit back and have your audience take in your awesome Videobite. Now, give your Videobite a bit of time to have your audience view it, but come back a day later, go to your share dashboard and click the analytics icon. You will then dive straight into the analytics for that podcast episode, and when you scroll down, you'll be able to see Videobites there. You'll be able to see how many times this Videobite has been viewed and by how many viewers in total. If a Videobite is viewed often and you see an uptick in your streams for your podcast or this episode from after this Videobite was created, then you can be sure your Videobite had its effect. And you should probably take that as a hint to definitely create more Videobites. It's good to realize that we're in the early stages of making Videobites analytics. We want to give you as much insights into these as we can, to also help you understand clearly where your listeners are viewing your Videobites from. So stay tuned for that. And that might actually be a great way to end this walkthrough. We really want to build Videobites and more products and services together with our community of creators, and that happens to be you. So I have a little request. If you ever have an idea on how to improve anything that we do, including anything you've seen in this video, then please hit the pinkish chat bubble in the bottom right of your screen and select Ask. Leave us any kind of feedback that you can. The more information, the better, and we'll always be following up on them. Thank you for your time and for watching this video. I know I speak for the whole Sounder team when I say that I'm truly excited for the Videobite you are going to be creating. Good luck, have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye.